Guys, as you all aware about the PUBG game has been replaced in India, and the replacement game of PUBG has also been introduced and going to launch in India. This also but the breaking news is PUBG is coming back to India. Yes, we are going to talk and discuss about this thing in video. What is the name of the replacement game of PUBG and when it's going to launch and why PUBG is going to come back in India and how it is possible. So let's start. Hey guys, this is Munir and you're watching Techie for You. Few days back, a breaking news came that PUBG has been banned in India due to Chinese app. As soon as they banned, the breaking news of the replacement game of the PUBG has been introduced, and it was revealed in Twitter account by Bollywood actor Akshay Kumar that PUBG's replacement game Fauji is going to launch, which means Fauji means the soldier, the army man, Fauji, and now they have copied the exact similar look title Fauji. So it's the people in the net are criticizing that they have copied the title. It is being said that PUBG took 3 to 4 years to complete the entire gaming process, and now they have completed within 4 to 5 months. How it is possible? And the game is going to be very exact similar look or copy, or it will not be exactly like, and it will not be user friendly. Many of them are giving their own review before launching the game. So we will check after launching the game and we will see how the game is. The game is going to launch on October last week. Yes, the last week of October will be the launch date of Fauji game, and let us see how it will be and what will be the speciality. And main thing I have heard about this is this game was started in May. The game started to design in May and this is September. Yeah, within few months they have finished the project and they are going to launch by next month. How it is possible? It is also been said that 20% revenue of the Fauji game will be given to the trust of soldiers. First, we need to realize the sacrifice of our parents who sacrificed for us. Then we should realize the sacrifice of our soldiers who are standing in border and sacrificing their own family, relation, children, and finally sacrificing their own lives. I salute to the soldiers who are standing in the border and making us to live happily. 2-3 days back, a 21-year IT student committed suicide due to ban of PUBG game. Come on man, it's just a game. You need to play whenever you are free. We need to get entertained while we playing. So don't think and don't get addicted to anything, any other actor, any movie, any games or any TikTok like that, any app, any kind of app. Don't get addicted. So it's just my advice to the students and who are addicted. Addiction is a very big disease. So it's a really sad news for us. One student was committed suicide because of PUBG. See, if PUBG was banned, another alternative, so many apps will come. And now the good news is on the way. After the Indian government released an order to ban 118 Chinese apps in the country, including the highly popular battle royale game PUBG Mobile, the gaming community has been upset and pretty vocal about the recent ban. And finally, we got some good news. PUBG Corporation has given the statement that they are actively looking into the entire issue around the ban, and it has also been confirmed that the PUBG Mobile will no longer be controlled by Tencent Games in India. So Tencent Game is running by Chinese company and PUBG PC version is still available. We can use PUBG PC version, but only the franchise part of the PUBG Mobile was being controlled by Tencent Games in India. PUBG Corporation officially announced that the Tencent Games will not be controlled in India. So this is the happy news for PUBG game lovers. Very soon it's going to be unbanned in India. So let's expect the PUBG game back. So what about this game and what about the Fauji game? you all comment down below and share your suggestions and share your feedbacks and share about my videos, about your opinions. Anything you can share, comment in below. So if you have not seen my previous video, you can check and see. I will give you in I button. And anything you want me to say and you want to share with me, you can feel free to comment down in the same comment box. Okay, so feel free to like, comment, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon. So this is Munir signing out from Techie for You channel, and this is Techie Havas No Bakwas.